Talking about making money online, learn a ton by watching this video. Would you like to make some extra money online? Perhaps you have the desire to making money online full-time. The internet is full of opportunities. However, you need to discern the legitimate opportunities from the bad ones. This video will help you think through your options and make the best choice. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. You may need to identify yourself before you can work online. Most companies want you to show proof of who you are, just as you would at a physical place of employment. It's a good idea to have one digital copy of each of your identification cards. Many people make quite a bit of money by filling out surveys and participating in online studies. There are numerous websites that offer this kind of work, and it can be quite lucrative. It is important that you check out the reputation and validity of any website offering survey work before joining and supplying your sensitive information. Make sure the site has a good rating with the BBB or other consumer protection agency. It should also have positive reviews from users. There is no secret in making a lot of money online. You just have to make sure that you are getting reliable information like what you see here. Make a goal for yourself and work toward it. Do not forget what you have learned here as you start your money-making venture on the web. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.